It is very simple and is what you or anyone else that has a smartphone with internet access can do. This is a gift card that is worth £500, okay? Money that is made from online survey just by answering simple questions from different companies via the online survey platforms, just like the one that I'm doing right now. Let me just show you right now what I'm talking about. I'm going to flip this camera and then show you guys. Just follow me. Okay guys, so in this case you can see right now that this is very simple. Now look at this place. It says please indicate your acceptance of this agreement by selecting I agree. If you do not feel that you can maintain this confidentiality, please select I do not agree. So all you need to do is to select I agree so you can continue. Okay, so you click on this I agree and then you come here and you click continue. Okay, now once you click continue, it will take you to the next phase. Look at the kind of questions that you answer, guys. Just take a look at this. They say please select whether you are employed in any of the following types of organization. This one is what we call the pre-qualification survey. Okay, before the main survey, there are some questions that they will use to either screen you out or make you qualify to perform the survey. Now look at this. They say please select whether you are employed in any of the following types of organization. Usually I tell my students, when you see all of these things, what you should choose is none of the above. Okay, because they don't want you to be in any of these companies, because anybody that is already in any of these companies may be biased, and that's why they want to eliminate the fact that you are not in any of the companies. So you choose none of the above and then you continue. So look at that, you continue, click on continue, and then you move again. They say what country do you currently reside, guys? So you are going to choose the United Kingdom. Okay, that is exactly what you choose, and then you continue. Okay, and then again, remember, they will ask you, are you a male or female? You answer accordingly based on the profile, based on your profile. Okay, all right, based on, remember, you would have set a profile for yourself in this regard. So you click continue, and then what is your age? Now guys, I told you that the age that you normally put for this very surveys, okay, because they want to see that you're a family man or family woman. The age is always between 35 years to what, to 49. Okay, usually you, any of that, okay, if you put 44 is okay, if you put 40 is okay, if you put 35 is okay. I used to put 44, all right, and that is what I usually put, because that is one of, in this account I use 44. In another account I use 35. There's account I also use 41. Okay, so these are different answers. So you can see 44 will be accepted, and I will click continue. Okay, now they will now ask you approximately what is your annual household income. Okay, if you are not sure, please provide your best estimate. Guys, this is where you will look at between 60 to 70 something K annually. Okay, and that is it. Then you click continue. Okay, that is one of the things. Now they say later in the survey we may present a screen that requires you to view an audio clip, all right, to confirm that your computer device is properly set up. Please play the test audio video clip before by clicking on the play button. Do check that your audio is turned on and the volume is turned up. Okay, you can use speakers or headphones. It may take a moment for clip to play. Okay, now which sound did you hear? So guys, you can see, you will go ahead and play and then hear the sound. So these are the different things they want you to do, just to, you see, they ask you which sound did you hear. Now you will select the sound that you hear. Train, whistle, was unable to hear. Laughter, birds, thunder, piano, church bell, drum. I think I heard train whistle. Okay, now which set of numbers did you see? 88, 889. I think I saw 88. Yeah, 88. Yeah, so I'll choose this. Okay, so you have to be very observant. Okay, so it is very easy for you to perform this, and then you can easily go ahead to win and make all the money that you want to make from this survey. So as you can see right now, I have finished this survey 100%, and they are still asking, you know, my opinion about the survey that I just took. Now you can see they say we are working to improve the surveys that you take, but to do that we need your help. Please answer the questions below about the survey you have just completed. You can see my opinion is what is needed. Okay, you can see overall was this survey very enjoyable. I have put it there like that, very enjoyable. Then I said it was easy to answer the questions in this survey. I agree strongly. Yes, I will just agree strongly. Then they say any other comments about the survey. You see, when they say any other comments, you know, I will just say I love it. I love it. Okay, you say I love it. All right, and then I'll click continue. See that? I'll click continue. Okay, and that is it. That is it. Look at this, guys. 50 life points have been issued. Imagine you do this 10 times in a day, you will end up having at least 500 points. Guys, take a look at this. Can you see? Can you see 1,230 points? And I'm not yet done. I'm not yet done. And it is what I can easily redeem immediately, as you can see here. Now, take a look at this one. Take a look at all this. You know, imagine I go ahead to complete all of these surveys. If you have a smartphone and you are not earning from your opinion by just sharing your opinion with these companies, man, it means that you don't want to earn money. Okay, so guys, this is just how to earn by sharing your opinions online, answering survey questions. Okay, it's so easy to do, it's so easy to answer, and you will do this within 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 9 minutes. As you can see, different surveys, different points. Okay, if you earn up to 500 points, that's about £5. Okay, if you are in Nigeria or in Africa and you are watching this video, if you are earning 5 points per day, guys, that is over 10,000 naira in Nigeria per day, every day. I can tell you for sure that in a year you would have made more than 3.6 million. So what are you waiting for? All you need to do is to drop a comment for me and say I'm interested, I want to join these surveys, and then I will plug you in as soon as possible. Okay, I will see you in my next video, guys. Do have a wonderful time ahead.